Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how you can make tomato stew. Chicken tomato stew. Oh my god, this stew is gonna taste so delicious. If you've not made chicken tomato stew before, please continue watching this video, don't go away. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I beg you, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by if you are new, and also share this video with friends, family. Thank you so much. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to slice this tomato. So this is my chicken. I have put all the seasoning. I put seasoning no cube, I put salt, I put pepper. So the next I'm gonna put my onion. I will put my thyme. I'll add my curry powder. So I will make it steam. So I'm gonna add water to it. Cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna add my vegetable oil. Let it heat up for about 1 minute. So now I'm gonna add my onion. So I'm gonna add my blended tomato, which is this. I'm gonna transfer it. I'm gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes. So I'm gonna check now. So this is how you're gonna cook your tomato. So you'll have this. You can see that the water has dried off. So I'm gonna add my Gino pesto tomato. So I'm just gonna add it together. So I will mix it together. I'm still gonna cover it for 2 minutes. So after that, stir it. So I'm gonna add my chicken. I will add the stock. So stir it. I will add my curry. I'll add my thyme. I'll add little water. So cover it for 5 minutes, then you take it down. So guys, this is the end of my stew. This is how to make chicken stew. It's very simple, easy and delicious. This is a tomato stew which you can make in your kitchen. Very easy, and this is very delicious. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.